Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an audio file into your Teachable course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an audio file into your course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that some of the information can't be conveyed in text, so sometimes it's better to add a video or an audio file. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an audio file into your Teachable course, here on the left side, you're going to click on Courses. It looks like 3 vertical lines. Okay, once you do that, you'll see all the courses you have in Teachable. You can see I just have this one, and you just want to click on the name of the course. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the curriculum right here. So go ahead and scroll down to the lesson that you would like to add an audio file into. So let's see here, for example, margarita pizza right here. So maybe I'm going to have a lesson of me talking through the different ingredients. So I'm going to click on here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the lesson that you've already set up. And in order to add an audio file, you're going to scroll down and then click on this turquoise add content button. Once you do that, you'll see these options off here to the right, and you want to click on audio. Okay, next they're going to let you know that you can upload either MP3, M4A, and WAV files. So go ahead and click this button and grab an audio file from your desktop. Okay, I grabbed a file and I'm going to click on upload. Okay, it's processing. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see I have an audio file right here. So my student could only listen to this inside my course. They're not going to be able to download this. You can see the download link has been hidden. Now, as they're going through the course, they can go ahead and read through the text up here. And then after that, listen to the audio. You can also change it around. So maybe I want them to listen to the audio first. I can just grab it here on the left and then just drag it right above and drop it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an audio file into your Teachable course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.